Hey, imagine you going to eat and someone just pulling up on you like that. Damn, bro, you'll be like concerned, like, what's up? So I was on YouTube the other night, and I saw this thumbnail right here: Cenat and ishowspeed sleepover. That wasn't what that caught my attention. It was the thumbnail, bro. It was the thumbnail. Tell me why ishowspeed have his pants all the way pulled down, bro. Tell me why. When I saw the video, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna check out the video. I'm gonna react to the video. So I wanted to react to the video with your lots. And just before we get into this video, bro, welcome back to our channel. If this is not your first time coming down here, I respect you. Thank you for rocking with me. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here we react to funny content. We just try to chill, have a nice time, and be on some positive vibes. You feel me? We don't do too much over here. But hey, anyways, man, let's get straight into the video, because someone said in the comment section, let's talk in more video. I hear you, bro. I hear you. But hey, at the end of the day, bro, it's a reaction video and I have to put my opinion across. You feel me? But anyways, let's talk and let's jump straight into the video.
I got you right now. Hold on, I'm gonna show him right now. Yo, Speed, pull up, bro. All right, hold on. Hold on, he downstairs and shit. Oh, he right here. That's crazy. Wait, why you saying what the f? Crazy?
Damn.
What do you mean? You mean what the f? Nah, bro, what? Shorty tripping, bro. Nah. Shorty, nah, hey. Nah, yeah, he good. I'm good. It's my man Speed, though. What's good? What's up? Yeah, hey, look, though. Hey. Nah. That's the only way we're gonna put up. You gotta make sure you gotta have a friend for my man. Yeah.
Okay, two men.
Come on, like, nah, like, give me a girl that's like 18 to like 21, 23, 24, 25. 18 to 23. I know you got him. Just make some calls. Hey, dude! You, boy! Hey, dude! You, boy!
You're tall, pal. Who said it? You said it?
Bro, really? Okay. I thought he didn't see them.
Hey, bro, we about to go on a sneaky link. I don't know what the fuck you got going on. Go to bed, man. What's up? Oh, yeah, you asking it. I'm holding out for you. I got you, my boy. Come on, bro. Get up, boy. Hey, bro, it's a bad idea. It's actually a bad idea, bro. Why? I can't see shit. Then turn your flashlight on. Why is that not staying on? What the? Why is it so? Wait, but why is that not staying on now?
Bro, turn your fog lights on. What is you doing?
But this nigga don't know how to drive. Dude, I just don't use my high beams. What are you?
Flick it forward.
Bro, can't you turn the lights on?
Stupid. This nigga don't know how to drive his own. Shut the f up! Shut up! Turn the flashlight on!
He can't turn the light on. That's crazy.
This dumbass keep turning it off like a stupid.
Nah, that's really crazy, bro.
I'm fine. I'm driving in your car. Chill. I'm driving in the car. I don't give a f. Bumba plot.
What?
They ain't selling no food in here, bruh. What the?
He drove in the night. He couldn't even turn his lights on. That's crazy, bro.
No, you ask.
I ask.
Yeah.
Are you scared to ask for fucking condoms?
Yes, that's weird.
How?
I'm not doing that. You do that. I don't want to ask a girl for condoms. If it was a boy, it'd be different.
So you're scared to ask her for condoms? Bro, man up and go ask her.
No.
Why?
Because it's a girl. I don't want to ask a girl for condoms.
Bro.
Yo, Kai, ask for the condoms, bro. All right, now, ask for the condoms.
Excuse me, my friend over here.
Hey! Stop.
Excuse me, my friend over here with condoms.
Man, no.
Wait. Was this the video where an older white lady was talking to them in the store? Because there was a video that was like all, I don't know if it was circulating, but there was a video that I saw some days ago. I think it was on TikTok. A white lady, a grown-up elderly lady was like talking to them in the store, and they had like a bit of like an altercation thing going on. Is this the video? I'm curious. Okay. I thought that happened like a long time ago.
3 donuts, beef jerky.
Are you like, bro? What is wrong with this dude?
Where are they? Here.
Look at that dude.
Take your water.
Let me get that donut.
I'm gonna go somewhere real quick. I'm gonna park up. We're gonna recheck in with the girls. Eat our donuts real quick.
All right,
Yo, what's up? You fell asleep? What's going on?
What's up, guy?
You ain't asked your friend?
She like busy on a date or something.
So you got no friends from my friend.
Damn.
So you want me to just pull up on you and just leave this bitch ass?
And you him?
Yeah, just leave this
Yeah.
out of here. That's crazy as I ain't lie, he'll take an ugly bitch.
Oh, yes, bro. I'll take one for the team.
He'll take one for the team, bro. So like anybody that's available, just go ahead and just work.
Hey, that's crazy.
You don't
He's down
Yeah, I really
bad,
don't.
bro.
He's
He's down bad.
Okay, well, let's find some ugly girls too.
No, don't purposely try to find an ugly girl. Like, just get a girl.
And I ain't gonna lie, we about to go pick up mad snacks and shit. We just having a vibe, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, me and you could be laid up and they could do whatever they gotta do, you feel me?
Exactly.
Okay, we find.
But you playing though.
Exactly.
You
Like,
sleeping.
she's like, okay. I like, bro, make the phone calls, make the text messages.
Are you okay? Wait, stay on the phone. Stay on the phone.
Yeah.
Like,
That's what I like to hear. She about to three-way. She about to three-way somebody.
I was about to three-way somebody.
Bro, this is what we f***ing do, pal.
Hey, this is some real G.
Come on, you don't dab me up on a fist pump. Yes.
Where you at?
That's a dude's voice, bro. That's a man's voice.
No, not her.
Everybody and shot me back to the drip.
Hell no.
What the hell was that?
No.
Oh, hell no.
What was that, bro?
Watch me cook. I got one for us. We streaming this shit, so we was like, let's fuck around and just do some late night shit.
Come on, let's do it, huh? We ain't doing shit. We live right now. We kind of tipsy.
Where at?
Ooh, okay.
We don't
That's some DD shit.
I bet we pull up. I'll pull up. I'll send you how my friend look. You send me how your friend look.
Okay, well, send me your location. I'm gonna send it to you.
I bet.
Alright.
Okay, that's a
Don't send
mission.
her low. Don't.
Okay, look.
Damn, they're tipsy. They're okay.
Okay, look, I'm not. But that's a mission, though, you
down.
heard?
That's
Tell her,
crazy.
bro. Tell her to her current low.
Like, you wanna see how she look?
Yeah, I'm
She
sure
right
now.
now. It's her shit.
Let me see. Damn. Oh, she's valid. She's cute. That's you? That's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I swear, bro. I promise you, bro. I got a feeling.
I called her.
I'm about to be stuck with some, like, ugly, fat. Oh, my God. She was with a girl, but she sounded big, bro.
What?
Bro, on God, bro, I'm, like, really good at that. I swear to God. I had this gift since I was young. I can tell when a girl is fat by the way they talk and their tones or their shit, bro. She's like,
Hey, you see saying fats.
I ain't gonna
That's
lie.
crazy.
We can make that strip, bro.
Is that true?
DJs.
Your call has been forwarded.
DJs.
Just think with that one girl. I'll come with you. I'll come with you. Sorry. I'll third wheel. It's okay. Huh? Let me just third wheel, bro. Fuck it. That's the only option we have. I just third wheel. Just link with that one girl. Trust me.
Shout out Waffle House.
It was very, very good.
Can I see the ticket?
No, it's fine.
Thank you guys. Thank y'all.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
You're welcome.
Of course.
Have a wonderful night.
You have a wonderful night too. Yeah. Okay.
How much you took her?
I took her 100.
Yo,
What's good, bro?
now you come outside.
Go inside.
I got clothes for you, thug.
You got clothes for me?
Yeah,
All right, so we about to head out.
that's what I'm saying. You wanna do it inside?
Yeah.
Look,
What's good?
What clothes you got? It's right here.
yeah.
What clothes are
Hey,
these?
I was
hey,
watching, me and man go
hey,
cat up.
Hey, imagine you going to eat and someone just pulling up on you like that. Damn, bro, you be like concerned, like, what's up? I knew deep down at first. Kai was like, damn, like, what's up?
Around the corners.
Orders for me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What the hell,
Bro, this one, you ain't gonna lie, you be putting it on more.
Okay,
than speed
appreciate.
angle.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
bro?
So-
Nah, hold on. We're not gonna let that one slide. I know what I saw. I'm not sure if you people what I saw, but hold on. Let me just.
Orders for me?
If you see it,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
did you see it? Did you catch it? Did you catch it? Wait.
Orders for me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, what the hell is this, bro? Damn. Okay, PG. We're gonna keep
Bro,
it
this
PG.
one, you ain't gonna lie, you be putting it on more.
Okay,
than speed
appreciate.
angle.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
So,
All right, bet,
All right, bro.
bro.
Appreciate you, bro. Good looking.
All right, bet. Good look, man.
Where are y'all guys from?
Huh?
I'm from Portugal.
New York.
Are you streaming live?
Yeah, come on.
So how
Come
do
on,
we
come on,
find
come
you
on,
on
come on, come on, come on,
Facebook
come on.
or YouTube?
Nate
Come
Hingers.
on, come on. I hate shit like that. Where am I, bro? Like, fuck you mean come outside? Bro, that shit get me dumb tight.
He said, come outside.
See, bro, I would have just, like, not even take the clothes, but, like, why are you telling me to come outside? I hate shit like that, bro.
Hello.
Yo, he want to talk to the birthday girl.
You're on speaker. I'm here.
Yo, you bad as hell. I just seen a picture of you.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, man.
Hey, hold on, wait, look though.
You what? Where the f*** is y'all at?
I've been covering your life.
Wait, how far are you from my location?
You sent the Uber?
Huh?
I said you sent the car?
To where? Your crib?
Yes.
Why you saying the f*** like that?
I can't drive. No, I'm saying I told you to send it in 5 minutes.
I bet, but why you saying the f*** like that?
Why you saying why you
saying the f*** like that? The f-
It's miscommunication, guys. It's my birthday. It's not all that.
I bet.
Hey,
I'ma
Kai
see y'all
standing on
soon.
business.
Oh, wake your black ass up, man.
Kai standing on
4 a.m., bro. I'm like,
business,
what's up?
bro.
Like, what we
Okay,
doing, bro?
what you mean the fuck?
tired? 4 a.m.
Chat, the moment that they find out we're streaming, they're not coming. I know this girl, bro. She's not gonna come. Once they find out that we're streaming, they're not coming, chat. Ain't dude, bro.
Well,
And the stream
there's
there.
always something else. Something to do. Cut the bush.
And the chat's too horny right now, bro.
Bro, why, bro? I mean, why? Damn.
Bro, what if my
Why?
mother stop playing with me, bro? Nah, that
Why?
ass. Nah,
Why?
stop.
Why?
Stop doing it like that, bro.
For the views. The hell. Aiden, I think Aiden rubbed off what's his name? Speed. Because Speed, I don't know if Aiden rubbed off Speed, pause, but I don't even know, bro. But oh, that was where the whole thing ended. Yeah, I don't know. that was crazy. But anyways, bro, that was the video. Oh wait, Aiden Rose and Andrew Tate finally reunite. Nah, I'm not finna check that one out. But anyways, man, thanks for checking out this video. I'm just happy we are back to reacting to videos again. Like I said, I'm gonna be reacting more to the Nigerian TikTok comedy series that I used to. That was how I started the channel actually. So to my Nigerians out there, we're going back to TikTok, the comedy TikTok reactions. But that won't be the only thing I'll be reacting to on this channel though. We'll be reacting to just anything funny on the channel. So see you guys on the next one, and we out.